Hello, dear students. Welcome to the last part of chapter Hot and Cold, that is, weather and climate. In this video, we will be discussing about different heat zones. The Earth can be divided into three different zones on the basis of amount of heat received from the sun. Equator and the regions near it receive direct rays. Sun rays become slanting as we move away from the equator. Our Earth is divided into three temperate zones. Torrid zone, temperate zone, and the frigid zone. Let's learn more about these zones. The first one is torrid zone. It lies between the tropic and Cancer and equator in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and equator in the southern hemisphere. In this region, people experience hot climate which causes high temperature, heavy rainfall and high humidity. Now let's learn about temperate zones. Temperate zones are neither very hot nor very cold. The North Temperate Zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, and the South Temperate Zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. The climate in these zones is moderate or temperate. Now let's learn about frigid zone. The North Frigid Zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the South Frigid Zone lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. The frigid zones are intensely cold zones on the Earth. The ground here is largely frozen most of the time and is known as permafrost, which means permanently frozen ground. These zones can be defined as important latitudes mentioned as degrees. For instance, torrid zone between 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south. Temperate zone between 23.5 degrees north and 66.5 degrees north. 23.5 degrees south and 66.5 degrees south. Frigid zone between 66.5 degrees north and 90 degree north pole, 66.5 degrees south and 90 degree south pole. Now we will learn about the global warming. Climate is affecting due to the human activities and interference. As a result, the temperature of the earth is increasing. This is called global warming. Reasons for global warming. Greenhouse effect. Earth's greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere and warm the planet. The main gases responsible for global warming include CO2, methane, NO2, water vapor, chlorofluorocarbon. Deforestation, cutting down of trees on a large scale causes the increasing the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere day by day. Carbon dioxide is also increasing by the burning of wood, coal, etc. There are adverse effects of global warming. Glaciers are melting rapidly, which increases the sea level. The coastal areas and islands submerge with the sea if continues. When the water of oceans get evaporated into high temperature, it may cause heavy rainfall, which can lead to flood. The low-lying areas will be affected by this. Steps to tackle global warming are afforestation, save electricity, Use fuel efficient vehicles, carpool, public transportation, solar heaters, and solar coolers. We should plant more and more trees to increase oxygen and decrease carbon dioxide. We should save electricity. We should switch off lights or fans when not in use. We should use solar water heaters and coolers so that electricity can be saved. We should use fuel efficient vehicles. It will help in reducing air pollution. Carpool is also a suitable option for this. Students, I hope the topic that we have covered in this chapter is clear to you now. Thank you.